Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you can't log into your Facebook through certain ways, my phone app does work, but the web app does not. It just gets stuck here at F for Facebook. Down Detector is actually saying that a huge amount of users are actually having issues with Facebook at this time. So if you can't log in, don't try to fix it. It is a Facebook issue. And if you can do it through certain means, maybe it will work in a certain area, but not work in another. It might work with the app on the phone or a tablet. Might not work online, or it depends where you are, probably also, or it might be a big outage also. So check it out. That there's just nothing to do. Just wait. A lot of people tend to think all the time that when something goes wrong on one of these websites, it's them. That there must be something about their equipment or maybe your computer or so on. Well, in this case, it is not. It has nothing to do with it. Just be patient, and we'll see. There's still no word. It's been about 30 minutes now that this has been happening. No word from Facebook or anybody yet as to what's the cause or why it's not working, but it probably will come back at some point during the next few hours. And if you have this problem, just wait. It'll come back at some point. So I tried all sorts of things, refreshes and whatever. But once again, when I go to my phone, and I'll do it now when I'm talking to you guys. If I go to my phone, yeah, on my phone it actually works. It actually seemed to work. Although a lot of the posts that I see here seem to be a couple of hours old, but no, it seems to be okay on the app on the phone at least. So hang in there if you have no Facebook access on the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.